Today we're working at Constable Street Substation in Dundee. The project involves over £3 million worth of strategic investment, which will unlock over 12 megawatts of green power for Dundee city centre.
The plant movers arrived this morning with their equipment. They unloaded and then they brought the transformer in, which is behind us here. It sits on rails with rollers in some, and the hydraulic rams just move it along about 500 mil at a time until it's level on the plinth where it's required, and then they'll jack it up, remove all the sleepers and what have you below it, and then bring it down gradually till it's sitting exactly where we need it. And then after that, there is radiators and fans that's required to go on, and an oil conservator as well.
The Green Recovery project will benefit all of the emergency services in Dundee. They'll be able to create larger fleet vehicles using electric vehicles and electric buses as well for the city centre. Also provide additional charging for Dundee city centre and access to the public as well.